asked questions about this move, so I thought it was about time I made a proper tutorial for it and put it on YouTube for you. I call this move the Yin-Yang hoop hug. Yin-Yang because it starts and finishes in this position that looks a lot like the Yin-Yang symbol. And hoop hug because the hoop winds its way around you in a great big hug. So I'll start off by showing you from behind because that's where a lot of the action happens. So please forgive my back view. We've got our right hand at the top, left hand at the bottom. The left hand is going to stay holding the hoop in the small of your back, while the right hand guides it down. Now, depending on the size of your hoop, you won't be able to hold on, you'll have to let go of the grip, but let the back of your hand guide it down, so the hoop's sort of rolling over the back of your hand until you get to the bottom and can hold it with a proper grip. And you can let the left hand just move out a little bit to the side now, so it can help to roll the hoop over your head. It's going to roll over like that. And then the left hand can let go, so the right hand can take a path around your body to the front. So it's bringing the hoop from there to there. And then we lift the hoop up, and we've got one extra little flourish to do before we're finished, and it needs a grip change. So we're going from this grip to putting the thumb under your hoop, fingers on top. We can then use our elbow to push the hoop round so that we can grab it again at the back, and then we're ready to start all over again. So that's it really. Except I will show you with everything from the front because I know some people find that helps them, and I'll do my best to mirror you. So this is going to be your right hand. So remember, the left hand stays in the small of your back, while the right hand guides the hoop down, grabs it behind you. The left hand comes out to help you roll the hoop over your head, and then the left hand can let go, while your right hand brings the hoop to the front and lifts it up. Then we need that little grip change, the push from the elbow to take it round, and back in the starting position. So it's a move that you can keep going with, or you can just blend it in with other things you like. I love it. I use it probably far too much. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it too. If you've got any questions, please ask me because I always love to help. And well, just thank you for watching. Bye for now.